You've probably been looking for ways to make money online, but now you've finally come to the right place. This is a proven method to make money online. It's not a scam, and it's 100% real. I'll just teach you how to copy and paste images, and by doing so, you can earn up to $2,000. Mind you, it won't take much work, and it'll be completely passive. Don't worry, it's available all around the world and it's completely free. Isn't that incredible? Simply watch this video and follow my instructions to double or even quadruple your profits in a quarter of the time. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, first of all, I want you to go to google.com and I want you to look up this keyword, which is cute animals. From there, I want you to click on this button, which is images, and from there, that's going to bring you to this page. We can find different images about all of these cute animals, and we can actually use them to make a lot of money online using a very special website and a very unique strategy. Second, you need to head over to this website called Teespring. Teespring.com is a completely free platform that allows you to use AI to design various e-commerce products that you can then sell on the internet and you don't have to talk to anyone. It's actually a lot easier and simpler than you may imagine. And as previously stated, all you have to do is copy and paste the photos into Teespring.com. When you upload all of your images and designs to Teespring, it will simply assist you in printing those designs to various garments, t-shirts, and other designs that you can see here. There are actually many types of clothes on Teespring.com. See this design right here? You can simply upload and copy and paste some simple graphics and then they'll help you print them on various t-shirts instantly. Check out this t-shirt, which is about $20, and not just that. There are a whole lot of different designs on Teespring.com, which you can virtually sell anything by simply copying and pasting. As you can see here, there are accessories and we also have backpacks, leggings, and even phone cases. Print on demand is the idea behind this money-making strategy. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below. And click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. So let's go! What Teespring does for you is that they'll gladly pre-manufacture and generate all of the t-shirts and different designs for you. Then, they'll assist you to ship to 180 countries across the world. Not just that, they can do it with the same day or 2-day shipping, which means that you can start your own online store and design store on Teespring.com. Awesome! That's how it works in general. First and foremost, you must create a product by simply using the Teespring launcher and selecting the stock designing button in just a moment. I'll show you how to use your mobile phone or computer to begin designing different t-shirts by uploading and copying and pasting different images, so stay tuned and don't miss out again. There are many various types of products that you can produce and design on Teespring.com. And once you've completed that process, we'll move on to the next stage, which is increasing your sales. You can either use their existing network or integrate via a tool or a collaboration. You can generate more sales if you keep watching this video. And you can accomplish it without selling, referring, or having any technological knowledge. It's actually quite simple, and it's now working. As a result, Teespring will assist you in manufacturing, transporting, and fulfilling all orders from across the world. They'll even assist you in taking care of client service, and they have a professional team to deal with it. All you have to do now is collect the income that you've made from Teespring.com. Now go back to Teespring.com's homepage and click on this button up top to start designing, and that will take you to this page where you can join up for the world's most popular creator platform. All you have to do is fill out some basic information such as your name or brand name, email address, and password, and then click the sign up button. So once you've filled out your personal information and created an account, we'll go on to the next stage, which is creating your first Teespring store, and from there, you'll be sent to this page where you'll see different categories of different trending products as well as a variety of suggestions for what's hot and what's trending right now. Other trending areas such as digital apparel and accessories include joggers, face masks, and so on. If you don't like any of these categories, you may simply scroll down and look through the many other themes, goods, and products that you can make. As you can see, there are a lot of them, so in this video, I'll show you a real-life example of how to use this pattern on a long-sleeve t-shirt. All you have to do is to press the start button right here, and that will take you to this long-sleeve tee category. So in this video, I'll show you how to get started with the best one. Which is the classic. Now, we need to upload an image of our t-shirt. As you can see here, there is a central section where we need to copy and paste an image onto the t-shirt as our own design. What you will do now is go back to Google and search for cute dog emojis, and it's what I showed you at the start of the video, so we must select one of these images, and in this video, I'll show you an example by using dogs, because there are so many dog lovers throughout the world who would like purchasing and designing a t-shirt with lovely dogs on top. So once we've chosen the dog image, we may either save it to our computer, take a screenshot, or save it on our mobile phone for free. All we have to do now is click this button to upload a picture, select the photos that will be chosen, and there is now the dog photo. Once you've successfully uploaded your image, it'll appear on the t-shirt as seen over here. Right now, you may drag and drop the photos to any location that you want, or even drag them to make them bigger. So right now, I'm making it slightly larger to fit the box in the center, and putting it slightly in the center at the bottom. Here, you can see that's exactly what I want. Dog photos on top of the t-shirt, and it's easy as copy and paste. Now the next step is to choose a color for your product. For this, we will pick any color as the color of our t-shirt. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page to set a price for your product. So by default, they're going to advise $25.99, and you may earn $10.51 profit for every sale, and Teespring will help you market and sell the t-shirt for you every single day. What is cool about Teespring is how quiet it is and how easy it is for a newbie to get started. The reason you can only retain 15 of the earnings and Teespring keeps the rest of it is because they will assist you in marketing and selling the goods. Once you're pleased with your design, just click the continue button at the bottom. Your t-shirt and design will be right on top online at teespring.com. To get hundreds of sales, I'd like you to go to facebook.com right now, and I feel that all of you have a Facebook account, so we should search for this keyword, which is dog lover. Once you go to Facebook, and it's actually all I want you to do, I want you to choose on groups under the filter section by default. So just click on the groups button, and then I want you to click on this button right here to join these public groups, and by doing so, they may instantly assist you in filtering all of the results for dog lovers groups that are open to the public. Let's assume I click on this group right here and it takes me to this page. Now as I scroll down, I see tons of other dog lovers from all over the world. They're showcasing various images, graphics, and videos related to dogs, and if you're able to put a basic design right here on the scoop, you'll be able to generate a lot of organic sales without having to talk to anyone. And it will be very targeted traffic since everyone who joins this group is a dog lover, and publish a very basic post and share your t-shirt design right here inside the Facebook group. And ta-da! You'll be able to earn and generate lots of money by simply doing so. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.